Ni Marites mga idol kay Kolokoy. Panoorin natin kung ano ang magiging reaksyon niya.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Grace. Today's video will be about responding to the interview. A lot of people are asking if I'm going to make a video or respond to the interview. I think it's time. This is the right time to respond. It's my first time to see the video, and I'm sure he didn't tell you everything. He probably just barely touched on some stuff. But for me, I'm going on a deeper dive. I'm going to tell you guys the whole story, the truth, what really went on, things that he didn't cover, things that he didn't share with you. What I'm going to do is respond to his comments, to his story, and I'm sure this video will give you guys clarity, just to give you guys more information about what went on. And as you can see in the email, he did the interview to intentionally ruin me, because it says there that he wants me to do the interview first so that he can come back after me harder, so it's more fun and he'll get more views. So this video is not about that. My main goal is to let you know my side of the story, the truth, the real truth, to tell you guys the story. So I hope it gives you guys some clarity.
Okay, sige.
Just to let you guys know, Marites was a character that he created. He told me what to do, how to do it, what to say, how to say it, how many times to hit him on the head, how soft, how hard. That wasn't me, that was Marites. A lot of people say, yeah, she's masungit, in the videos you can tell that she's bossy, she's this and that. That was Marites. Okay, Marites is different from Miss Grace. So everything that you saw was created, everything that we did, all scripted, from the pranks to car videos to whatever, everything was fake. You guys know everything in social media is mostly fake. So that's what we did. I supported him. So just to let you know, that was Marites, not Miss Grace. They're both different.
Ito naman kung Haring Ogi. Interview niya pala. Kaya pala mga idol.
Di ba parang unti-unti na naglalaho yung pagmamahala sa isa't isa? Di ba parang nagkakaroon na kami ng problema kahit na minor pa yan o kahit na hindi malaki yan, pero as time goes by, unti-unti.
Hirap maging pogi mga idol.
Yun na nga, it came to that point na talagang I think kailangan na natin
Iyak na ako.
kasi parang hindi na healthy yung relationship. Yung iba syempre nanghihinayan din 20 plus years kayo, tapos hindi ka ba nanghihinayan dito sa kanilang panahon, more than 2 decades. Nanghihinayan siguro ako kung talagang meron akong dapat pag-hinayangan. Okay.
So we were together for 25 years with 3 kids, with accomplishments. I got my doctorate degree in nursing. We helped you get to where you're at right now. Hindi ka nahihingayan doon. And you know what? You said that you became famous on your own. Don't forget about me, CJ, Wanderzy, Choose One, and Happy Campers. Where would you be if we weren't there to support you? That's the kind of person you are.
Sa akin, una kasi pinanganak yung mga bata. Ako na ang talagang maging hands-on sa akin. Dahil yung ex-wife ko, yung si Miss Grace, si Grace or si Marites, the whole time nag-aaral siya. Which is, ako naman talagang nag-encourage sa kanya na huwag mo nang intindihan yung mga bata. Ang asikasuhin mo na lang,
Laban lang mga idol.
maging isang ganito.
Di pa huli ang lahat.
Huwag mo na alalahan yung mga bata. Ako na lang ang bahala. Basta concentrate ka na lang sa pag-aaral mo hanggang sa makuha mo yung gusto mo sa buhay. So meron siyang
We both worked. I worked full-time. You worked full-time. I went to school full-time. Let's not forget, I worked 2 jobs, okay? You weren't the only one who took care of the kids. Did you forget about my mom? My mom took care of our kids. Even when she was working, she still took care of our kids, unlike your mom. So don't say you were the only one who took care of the kids. I worked from home Monday through Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, I went to the facilities to work. So, don't say you were the only one. You were the only one who took care of the kids. Give us some credit.
tinuturong dahilan yung pagkakaroon mo ng grade 2. Sinasabi nila, kinis ang kapit. Ito yung dahilan. Prior to that, may mga ibang dahilan. Unang-una yung hindi ko nakita ako. Yung tatay ko, hindi ko nakita ng 10 years. Hindi ko nakausap. Yung nanay ko, hindi ko nakausap for 8 years.
Okay, guys, I don't think he knows what he's saying. From 2013 to 2023, which is 10 years. In 2013, your dad, your parents sold the house. He went to the Philippines and retired. Your mom stayed. Your brother bought a house, moved in with his girlfriend, and then your mom moved in also. But because she couldn't get along with the other daughter-in-law and your brother, she had to move out and rent a room from one of her friends. So let's talk about your dad. During those times, you and your dad stopped talking because we found out that your dad was cheating on your mom with a younger girl while he was in the
Bakit?
Philippines. Everyone knew this, but prior to that, he also had an affair with someone else and had a baby, right? Yes, guys, cheating is normal in the family. He cheats, dad cheats, uncle cheats. And then in 2018, we went to the Philippines. We even went to Baguio to go see your dad. But your dad was mad or something. You guys, we didn't see him. We had to stay at a hotel. That's your story with your dad. With your mom, since, she was alone, we decided that she should bond with our kids. It all started when we wanted her to, babysit the kids, but she didn't want to. So, okay, fine. So we said, okay, let's have her, see the kids. Because she works Monday through Friday, and sometimes she had part-time in the evening. So we said, okay, she can see the kids Saturday or Sunday. It doesn't have to be both because, she could be tired. We decided to do that, but a lot of times she would not come. She would cancel because she's tired, or she's going out, or she's going to a party, or she's going to be with her friends. So, we continue to do that. You don't remember that? We continue to ask her every week, can you see the kids? Can you be with the kids? Oh, no, I have to go here, I have to go to a party or whatever. We continue to do that every week for a whole year. And there's times when she would go to a party, kids' parties, and she wouldn't even take any of our kids. And you remember that one time when she posted something on Facebook? The theme was Frozen. And we were like, oh my gosh, you didn't even take CJ. And that was the time when CJ liked Frozen. Remember, we were mad at her. So for her to make it up, she bought CJ a mug, like a coffee cup, Frozen coffee
Never
cup,
kang
to make it
manalo
up.
sa
Can you
taong
believe
kalmado
that?
at
And
kasi
this
mag-explain
one really
si
got to
Secretary
me.
Batuta.
Our first son who has autism. First time he ever called her and said, Mom, can you pick me up? Or something like, I want to be with you. Your mom said, no, I can't. I'm going out with my friends. You and I were so mad at your
Yari ka
mom,
ngayon,
and
idol.
you told your
Kolokoy.
dad, and your dad was mad too. I mean, that was the first time Aaron asked your mom to pick him up. He never called her. And for her to do that, I was really mad about that. And also, you didn't talk to your mom for a long time because, those times when you would have shows and she would see that, you would post it on Facebook that you have shows. So one time she asked for money and you said, no, I didn't go to the show yet. I didn't get paid yet. She was asking for money that you didn't even get yet. And when you said, I didn't get paid yet, I'll give it to you when I get paid, she got mad. And that was the last time you talked to her because of money. I mean, I was just done with her, She was like that for a long time. She didn't prioritize the kids. She didn't act like she was a grandma. I never said, don't be with the kids. I was just fed up with it, we practically begged her to be with the kids, but she was the one who was too busy or couldn't do it. I mean, once a week, she couldn't even do that.
Bakit mo natiis na hindi ka usapin ng mami mo? Dahil
Marites
ayaw
din, idol.
request na pausapin mo
Idol, okay,
May
Marites din.
problema ba yung mami mo? Nung una kasi
Sige na, mga idol.
si Marites.
Pagpatuloy na lang, pasukin nyo lang si Marites.
Meron din siyang anak. Nalaman ng parents ko yun.
Bye-bye,
Siyempre,
mga
bilang
idol.
isang Pilipino,
Family.
magulang, parang hindi sila
Yeah.
nag-relate sa